This hyper-realistic, automated video is engineered to capture attention and convert it into revenue without manual editing or high production costs. In this breakdown, we are going to build a fully functioning monetization pipeline, and we are going to configure the entire setup protocol in exactly 3 minutes. Before we start the clock, you need 3 specific tools ready to go. First, a verified social media account. Second, an active AI video generator, and third, a unique affiliate link. Most creators stall out trying to connect a dozen different software tools together. We bypass that friction completely by using all-in-one generation platforms that handle the script, voice, and visuals in a single workspace. This process engineers a self-sustaining digital machine that uses AI to capture traffic and convert it into income autonomously. Step 1 happens before you even open your AI generator. You have to lock in your revenue strategy. This split-screen chart maps 2 options. Path A relies on ad revenue, requiring massive volume and long waits. Path B, affiliate marketing, functions efficiently on low volume with instant payouts. Broad fact videos belong on Path A. Targeted tutorials align with Path B. Picking a high-volume ad model for a niche channel wastes your traffic, as it requires millions of views to see the same return that a few affiliate sales provide instantly. Now that your path is chosen, start your timer. We have exactly 3 minutes to configure the engine. First, log into your AI generation platform. Locate your main dashboard and select the Create Workflow option. Next, lock in your visual settings. Set your resolution strictly to 1080p or 4K, and toggle the source material exclusively to premium stock assets. Then, select your audio model. You must choose a high-fidelity, natural-sounding human clone. Social platforms actively flag and penalize accounts using cheap robotic text-to-speech. Once those toggles are set, you have reached the workflow-ready state. Double-check your resolution and voice settings to confirm your visual configuration is fully locked. That 3-minute setup is the heavy lifting. You have built the engine block. Moving forward, you never need to touch these settings again. You only need to supply the system with instructions. With the back-end infrastructure finished, we shift to the front end, telling the AI exactly what to build using prompt engineering. Every successful prompt requires 3 components: the topic, modifiers, and a call to action. The modifiers block forces quality, instructing the AI to output premium content. The call to action explicitly commands the viewer to click the link in your bio, driving your revenue. Paste that completed formula into your generator, hit enter, and the system takes over. Your prompt instantly renders into a fully compiled, hyper-realistic video asset. Hit export. Upload the file to your chosen social platform. Drop your affiliate link directly into the video description and pin that same link to the top of the comment section. Notice what just happened. You didn't edit a timeline or record audio. Your text prompt acts as the steering wheel, driving the entire financial mechanism from start to finish. Look at the final state. Your high-quality asset is now live, capturing views and actively routing traffic to your offer. A viewer scrolls onto your video, hears the call to action engineered into the AI script, checks the pinned comment, and clicks your affiliate link. To scale this, simply repeat the text input phase. Run a new prompt injection through your established workflow 3 times a week. This line graph maps out the long-term math. Uploading consistently builds a permanent digital library, where every new video acts as an additional funnel, compounding your total reach and stacking your revenue potential. Modern digital leverage comes from architecting a single automated pipeline that produces a volume of content impossible to achieve through manual labor.